I think it's x times 3 minus 3. So x3 minus 3, yeah, because then, yeah, it would work.
Yeah, it works.
No, because anything,
Because times 3 minus 3,
but it won't equal it.
minus 3 would be negative 3.
I don't think it would be possible
Because times 3 would go to 0. Yeah, because that's anything times 0. But then minus 3 would go into negatives and we're only left with 0. Yeah.
No, 0.
No, because it would be
Although I wonder why he said 0 then. I wonder why he said 0 could be a possibility.
be
I think I understand where Griffin was coming from.
Yeah, like where I
He just
thought
wanted to be the lowest, that's kind of fun. Yeah.
Wait, are you agreeing?
I would guess 0 as the input. That would be that it's minus 3.
Yeah.
So tell me, what were you hearing at your table? Kristen, what did you hear at your table?
Well, we thought that it could work because your parameter was greater than or equal to 0.
All right. Christina, what did you hear at your table?
Well, we thought it wouldn't work because, well, we think it would be negative 3 instead of 0. Like, we didn't think that 0 would work.
What would be negative 3? Can you be more
Well,
specific?
The y, the
X value, because it's just,
which would be the y, the output because, like, 0 wouldn't be possible. If
0. So let me get some clarification now. So Griffin's guess was y. His guess was a y value. He guessed 0. So maybe I should write that on the board here. So, and my question to you was, is this possible? So I asked a very vague question there. What do you think, Robbie? Sorry, Nico.
Well, it's kind of, because I kind of noticed this, is because the y in everyone is bigger than the x, and your parameters say that x has to be greater than or equal to 0. So if the x is smaller than the y, it can't be smaller than 0, so that wouldn't work.
Can someone put in their own words what they hear Robbie saying? Kylie.
In all the numbers we've done so far, the y has been bigger than the x. So if the y is 0, then x would have to be lower than 0. But the parameters of the x has to be equal to or greater than 0. So it would work.
I see that I have some comments around the room. Eric, would you like to make a comment?
I think the x would be.
Sure.
I think it'd be 1 because the other ones looked at x times 3 minus 3 equaled y and 1. So 1 times 3 is 3 minus 3 is 0. So I thought it would work.
I heard some ahs. Did I hear that somewhere? I see some agreement around the room as well. Teo, what are you agreeing with?
I'm agreeing because we talked about the same thing at our table. Because I was thinking negative at first, but then I saw it was a y value, not the x value. So then I thought, I don't know, and then Griffin told me what he was thinking about what he said. So
Very good.
I understood.
Can I see agreement in the room or disagreement? This point here is 1, 0.